This is the dime. It's a clever mini multi-tool you can attach to a keychain. It contains 10 tools. In addition to butterfly opening stainless steel spring-loaded needle nose pliers, wire cutters, a fine edge blade, spring-loaded scissors, flat driver, tweezers, lanyard ring, and a fine and coarse file. The dime includes the retail package opener, a blade that safely cuts and scores plastic packaging. The dime's bottle opener is exposed even when the tool is closed. Store this cool little multi-tool in a pocket, a purse, or keep it on a key ring. This is the dime.
Handle any home improvement project with the Rack Universal Socket Tool. We use 54 super strong steel rods that are individually spring actuated, allowing the socket to automatically conform to any shape instantly. Jump from hex nuts to square nuts, screw eyes, bolt heads, and even damaged heads without ever changing the socket. The included 3/8 inch adapter turns any power drill instantly into a power socket driver. Tighten or loosen fasteners in seconds and get the job done faster. And our 2-piece kit replaces a whole socket set, so it's travel friendly. Keep on the go in the car, toolbox, or bike kit. Get the job done faster with the Rack Universal Socket Tool. Be ready for anything with the Rack Hammer Multi-Tool. Unlike most multi-tools, ours features a compact hammer to handle various small tasks, plus 11 other tools including a nail claw, pliers, wire cutter, flathead and Phillips screwdriver, saw, straight and serrated blade, file, and bottle opener. The locking feature ensures tools lock into place during use for added stability and safety. Plus, it's built with a heavy-duty stainless steel construction to keep up with you, but feels light and comfortable in your hands. Keep it close with the included durable nylon belt holster. Stay prepared with the Rack Hammer Multi-Tool.